Under the tax code, taxpayers can't deduct expenses incurred to maintain personal property. However, if they convert the property from personal use to use for the production of income, a deduction will be available for related expenses. But as we'll see in Lowry versus United States, proving the conversion can be challenging. Edward Lowry was the de facto owner of a summer home in Martha's Vineyard. The home was part of a community run by the Seven Gates Farm Corporation, which held legal title to the property. In 1967, Lowry decided he no longer needed the summer home and listed it for sale. Lowry, who had extensive real estate expertise, recognized that home values in the area were increasing and listed the property for $150,000, even though it only had a fair market value of $50,000. After listing the house, Lowry stopped using it as a personal residence and only returned to maintain it or attend the Seven Gates annual shareholders meeting. Lowry also didn't attempt to rent out the house. He believed that a clean home would sell faster and that furnishing the home for rental would be financially unviable. Furthermore, Seven Gates had considerable restrictions on renting the home. The property finally sold in 1973 for $150,000, netting Lowry over $100,000 in profit. On his 1970 tax return, Lowry deducted expenses for the home's care and maintenance. On review, the IRS determined that Lowry's expenses were personal in nature, disallowed the deduction, and assessed a corresponding tax. Lowry paid the tax and brought suit to recover the payment.